before I get sidetracked too much as well, because I do trade iron ore stocks as well on the Australian Stock Exchange, and I'm short big ones, so that's been very profitable. So there's money to be made from these sort of coals if you understand the global markets as well. So it's very important to put your time and effort into it as well. Now, also, guys, US dollar index, there's a lot going on here as well. And to be honest, I did not really see such a move higher. We've seen it break out of 93. And if I go to the daily time frame as well, and I'll zoom in, you can see the significance here. This is early on Asian session, Monday morning for us here in Singapore and Perth. This is pretty significant. So in regards to the situation that's going on, if you just read what happened on Friday night, it doesn't really capture it. What really we saw was that the US equities again pulled back. And it's just from a market psychological standpoint, it's very dramatic, where we've seen the dips being bought, and now there's just a little bit of shakiness that's present as well. And then the risk currencies are the Aussie and the Kiwi. And, you see those pull back when situations are very risk off, where the market is not that confident. And what we have seen before, and now we're seeing come back into force here, is the US dollar gaining some strength. Now, in regards to news for the US dollar today, it's very quiet, and then tomorrow's pretty quiet as well. But we really are waiting for the FOMC meeting very early in the morning on Thursday this week as well. So for now, in regards to trade ideas on other currency pairs, stay tuned for the call. We've got the Aussie and Kiwi in focus for today. I'll just quickly touch base on a very helpful resource as well, guys. So for people that are a little bit time poor, the team here at LCMS Trades, we put together the weekly market update. And this is every Monday morning, 8 a.m. It comes out or thereabouts, Perth time or Singapore time, GMT +8. And it's just a nice way to catch up on really the big events from economic, news that's come out from the previous week, and just get yourself, geared in the correct frame of mind. So, for example, if we're in a real strong risk-off scenario, it's very hard to be like, let's take a reversal on the Aussie dollar right now. That would be, especially like the viewer Andrew mentioned as well about the situation with iron ore, and to be grabbing longs on the Aussie, it's difficult to do. I'm sure some people are doing it, but it's not really, that's for very brave people who, don't mind, risking losing a lot. So I would say check this out once, in the morning on Monday, or whenever you get up to start the week, and then make sure you also check out the YouTube channel as well. I sent some links in the chat for that. And for now, we've got Jin, multi-million-dollar trader, going through the Aussie and the Kiwi, and just giving a bit of insights into how to prepare for this coming trading week. So over to you now, Jin.